Welcome back to Ladybug Lane Soaps, everybody. Oh, oh my gosh, am I losing my voice? Oh, that was funny. Anyway, welcome back to Ladybug Lane Soaps. I hope everybody's having a good day. Alrighty, gang. I have 4 ounces of this spiced pumpkin and oat milk from Sierra. Need to get it used up. It does have 3.5% vanillin. So I am going to be putting in some TD, otherwise known as titanium dioxide. And I'm not quite sure if I still want to do this, gang. So I have these adorable little bumblebee, can you see it, honeycomb moles there that I've made just soap from the oatmeal milk and honey. And you know, I thought first, you know, maybe I'll just make some little pumpkins or something, since it says spiced pumpkin. And I thought, oh heck, I thought, you know what, I kind of wanted to do something that will probably go well with the discoloration that I know it's gonna happen. It's just gonna, especially with that 3.5% vanillin. Even though I'm gonna be dumping in a bunch of the TD, it's still gonna do its thing. And this gold, that is from, that is from Nurture Soap. It's shimmer gold. It's very, very pretty. Haven't used that in quite a while. Okay, I'm back. So I do not have the cell phone on that steady hand because it won't focus this close. So I hope it doesn't do that, you know, boom, boom, boom thing. So all right, gang. So since I'm not quite sure what this fragrance oil is going to do, I think I'm just gonna kind of hand stir everything in. The kaolin clay, sodium lactate, the colloidal oatmeal, everything is in here. Oh, and a little bit of prepped powdered ghost milk. There we go. Okay, so let's. Oh, and I wanted to give this a temp. Where's my? Okay, and I hope I'm not talking too loud because I'm pretty close here. We have about 109-ish. There we go. And 43.3 Celsius. And the oils about 74.3 Celsius. What is that? 23.5. So, okay, let's see, what do I want to do? Okay, it's a little bit warm. This just looks like a lot of oils and everything, but I guess we'll find out, huh? Titanium dioxide in first. Now some of these fragrance oils that have a lot of the vanillin, I mean, they just smell fabulous, but boy, they just darken things up. And I'm just not a big fan of really dark soap. Ah, never mind that. Oh boy, that is sweet. It's like vanilla, a lot of brown sugar, lots and lots of cream. Okay. All right, gang. Oh, that just looks like so much. Hang on, Margie, hang on. Oh, that smells so good, dang. We're gonna make it. Oh, that's gonna be close. It's gonna be close, folks.